Hello everyone. I wanted to take a moment to share my wonderful experience with Windows Need Cleaning. You see, I'm a passionate gardener, and spending time in my garden is my absolute joy, but I used to find myself constantly juggling between maintaining my windows and tending to my beloved plants. That's where Windows Need Cleaning came to my rescue. Their team of skilled professionals not only cleaned my windows, frames and sills flawlessly, but also gave me the gift of time to spend doing what I love most, nurturing my garden. Let me tell you about the process. The Windows Need Cleaning experts arrived promptly and with all their specialized tools and equipment. Their attention to detail was evident from the start. They meticulously cleaned each window, making sure no smudge or streak was left behind. As I watched them work, I couldn't help but feel a sense of relief knowing that my windows were in capable hands. My view became clearer, allowing me to fully appreciate the vibrant colors of my garden. The best part is that Windows Need Cleaning didn't just clean my windows, they provided me with precious extra time. Now, instead of spending hours trying to achieve that streak-free shine, I can dedicate myself fully to my passion for gardening. Thanks to Windows Need Cleaning, my garden has flourished like never before. I can't express enough how grateful I am for the exceptional service and professionalism of Windows Need Cleaning. Not only did they enhance the beauty of my windows, but they also granted me the gift of time to indulge in what truly brings me happiness. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient window cleaning service that will give you back your precious time, I wholeheartedly recommend Windows Need Cleaning. Their expertise and attention to detail will leave you with sparkling windows and the freedom to focus on what matters most to you.